This should be fine. But for some reason it is 720. Oh no, it is 1080. Okay, I'm just gonna check this real quick. Okay, get an ad, that's fine, but oh, it is 1080. Okay, so we fixed that. I don't know how loud this lab is, but it should be fine. I don't have a better setup right now, but yeah. So you can hear the birds chirping probably. Let's see if this still exists. Stream beats. Or not beats, but beats. Royalty free. Stream beats. Music for Twitch. Stream beats. Oh, it's a subscription thing. Interesting. How much is it? Oh, $5. Oh, we'll figure this out. Microphone? Yo. There's something wrong with your Twitch, man. Like, I have a mic here. I don't know. Mic. It's on the... It should work. Here. I'm making mana. What are we doing today? Not much, pretty much. I have to print a spool holder for this shit, and I need to configure the NAS, so it's gonna be a bunch of software. It's very unfortunate, but I managed to share a Google Chrome. You guys can see, like this one, so that should be clearly visible in 1080p. I don't know. There's no way my audio isn't working, right? It has to. Where the heck is my wait, what? YouTube seems fine. Wait, what? You're really quiet? What? I mean... No, this should be good. It's maxed out. I can't... I can boost it, but what's the point? This is boosted as fuck, though. What are you talking about? Oh, it's hang on. Could be a thing. Is this better? Maybe this doesn't work. I think the lab doesn't work. It's like I have the mic in my mouth and my software is showing it in the red, so I don't like... Yeah, I don't know. I don't have a hat here. Fuck, do I put this thing? Hang on. There's no way, like... I guess... What's wrong with this? I'm gonna plug this in. It might be loud. Test. I can see the noise. Now this should work. I don't know. When you put it in your mouth, I know. I mean, that's most mics, right? So this is fine now, is it? I don't. It's very awkward. I have nowhere to put it. So does this work? This should work fine. I mean, I see it in the green, so. I mean, it wouldn't change anything if I unplugged the live as well. Hello? Headache? Yeah, I don't know. Did the eyes on Fritz? Everything looks good to me. I can't. I can't. Use this one, it's fine, but generally, like, I need to move around the place, so I need to be using this one now. It's very awkward. How do we put this? Let's see, like here, I guess, would be the closest I can get it. That should work. Question mark, exclamation point, hello. Doing shit, testing shit. It's kind of turned away from me, but there's nothing I can do. I don't have a hat right now, so. If this works, it's good. If it doesn't, I don't know. Quiet? I mean, what the fuck, bro? Wait, do you not have a volume thing? If you up it, like, I don't. Okay. How about now? Is now quiet? Is this better? I don't. Even smell. Does this even work? I don't know. I don't know how much I need to boost this shit. Is better? I mean, they have like a bunch of gain settings here. Like I can go 10. Is 10 better? I don't know. I can see the shit peaking in my thing, but is that supposed to be the case? Should I always wear a hat? I need to get headphones here. I need to figure out how all this shit works. I'll get headphones later. I just don't have any on hand. This is good? Okay. Thank you. Should be fine. So this is what shadow priests do? Yeah. I mean, this is better than WoW, because WoW has 0 players, but here you don't need any players. So here's what we need to do. I need to find like a stand for this pool right there, this thing, because this is a stupid orientation and this makes 0 sense. I need to print something that makes more sense. But for me to print something that makes sense, I need to find something that makes sense. So we go searching, and I hope you can see this clearly. It should be 1080p now, should be good. Printables, for instance, Thingiverse, whatever it's called. Yeah, this thing knows. So let's try specific, or let's try one more thing. This one. I don't know if this one has anything for that. I know it has a thing for something else, but he got internet. There's no more coffee in the garage. You're welcome to come whenever you want, man. I have another mic, and you don't even need to be on stream. I can just mute the. Acrylic vents. I don't think this has this. I love how shaky the fucking stream is because of this. I don't think this has anything, but I basically just need something to plop to the sides. So let's try K1C top spool, let's say. I don't know. That's about Something like this, maybe. I actually can't see shit on this website. This, maybe? I don't know. Come to the garage for a jump scare? The door's open, so I would see him coming, but it's a good idea. Just randomly start knocking and shit. Oh, crap. Don't need this, don't need this. Oh, no, it's a wrong, What is this? Yeah, that's all weird. Can you not just draw one? I can, but it would be sketchy. This is exactly what I'm looking for, actually. Why is there a fat roller here? Like, just take all the material I have just to print this shit. Hello? Would it be... I think it would work on the riser as well. Why is this so fat? I can watch live? Yeah. Oh, that's much better. That's very zoomed in. Thank you. This is actually exactly what I want, but I don't see a point of using the... Why does he have a box, man? Like, this takes infinite material to print, right? And infinite time. Please don't. Yeah. I'm kind of with you on that one. Should find a better one. But I just Google, like, K1C top spool angle images. Like, basically this. But there's already a... You get the fucking thing with the printer. Like, why are they printing the thing that you already get? I don't understand. Can you make it any bigger, bro? Like, maybe this, I don't know. This works. With roller. Without roller, bro, you already get the fucking roller with the printer, don't you? Like this. This is all you would need, but on the other side. I could put it on the other side, could I not? No, I couldn't. Because he designed it. So it's not... You can't put it on the other... I have an idea. I am scared to hear this one. Why people put spools in a shitty place? Like this. Remixed. Fuck is Maker? Or this. This would work. I mean... This is also nice, I think. Let me see. What is this? Oh, just the hinged riser. What is your idea? I also want to know. What is this? Oh, it's the same shit. I mean, this looks correct, but it goes into a place where I don't have those ridges it would need to mount, because I have a riser, and the riser does not have those ridges. It's just a flat surface. Okay, this is fucking... I mean, I'll just print one and put it on the shelf. I don't give a shit, but I was thinking of maybe making something that makes sense for this printer, this side. Like this, why are they so large? This is perfect, but not with the not with the riser. This guy complicated it a bit, huh? I have an idea. What's your idea, bro? Tell me. Tell everybody. Where's my YouTube? Okay. This don't do shit because it's on whatever. Bro, these are so complicated. What else do we have? I like this, but this is stupid large and it doesn't fit. What? Oh, it's another thing. Spool holder for Creality. Maybe I should Google this. Creality top spool holder. I already have the roller, don't I? Custom side mount. Not the side, bro. Top, yeah. What is this? Oh, I like this. If this is what I think it is. Does it go on the back? It does go on the back. I changed my mind. I don't like this. I think. Spool holder. In the spool mount at the back. Spool mount adapter was used from here. Oh. Oh. That's better, I think, but it still looks like a lot of material for no reason. I don't know. I'm also not sure where my spool thing is. You don't need that? I don't, but I mean, it's just right fucking there in the upside down dryer. I don't want it there. I want it on I want something that I can use to print TPU easily without having to fucking do weird shit all the time. Hello? K1 Max. This does not sound like K1C. This would work. I have no idea what he attached it to, and he's running a bunch of complicated shit, which I also don't like. How about this? K1 Max. This is perfect. Except that I don't... That's all the pictures. 2 existing screw holes. Yeah? Oh, of course. I don't have shit. This is correct, but it's using the thing which I don't have access to because of the riser. But I also could put it on the riser if that makes sense. But this is actually exactly what I want. What is this? Is this flat? Nah, that won't work. Let's try this. Oh, that's exactly what I want. I mean, fuck me. This is like also a lot of use other parts and bomb. What is bomb? Oh, motherfucker. That's exactly what I want. Instead of the printer frame? Oh. Nobody made that, huh? Nah, this is overkill. Let's look at images. I mean, that's the same thing. This looks like a riser, but it's a different one. Fuck me, bro. Like, can we just add pictures? This is not the printer that it is. Top mount, spool holder, but that's bamboo, that's not Creality. Oh god. Okay, let's see, riser. Of course you need 3 spools there. How does this mount? Also, it's using some PVC shit, which I don't have or want. Must have mods, of course. Should move this somewhere. Okay. What is this? I mean, when I up the gain on this mic, it's just picking up a bunch of noise. I don't know where the noise is coming from though. It's just picking up random shit noise. I don't know. Maybe the printer is off. There's nothing making audible noise here right now. I'll get headphones and figure it out. Maybe it's, I don't know. I actually don't. Maybe it's the cable. I plugged in a shitty cable and a shitty port. But I mean, when you adjust the gain, it just gives noise. Oh, this is so boring. Okay, so we can't do this. So, QNC spool shelf holder. Let's try that. Shelf, bro. I want to put it on a flat surface. Does that make something like this, but less stupid? Table, I guess. Wow. So people really don't like do shit here, huh? Like that is just fine, I guess, but crazy. Apparently what I want is not doable. It's very hard, I feel like. Somebody in a Viber group asked if you can provide a contact for an ad in a Viber group. You just click and message the guy. Did you assemble beta for the dude? What, for Gonzo? Yeah, a long time ago. He's been flying it. I think he crashed it. Okay. Filament table holder. Oh yeah, that's about right. That's about stupid. Why do people hang filament from below the... Oh my god. Can I just get that like this? Without having to have any bearings or anything, just the thing can roll on the thing. I'll grease it, I swear. Spool desk stand. Wait, let me try. Creality spool desk stand. Can we do that? Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Or am I? External spool holder. Oh, they sell this, huh? I don't give a shit. Nah, it's crazy that you can't actually... The spool dry, the dryer's good. I mean, yeah, except every time I want to print TPU, I have to unfuck everything and move it and do all this weird shit, which I don't want to do. I want to have TPU on a fucking thing, and then have this set up with the filament sensor and whatnot. Plus, like, as far as I know, I'm also like going to print this using your orange PETG, so it's not really a waste of material because the material ain't mine, yo. I mean, this is getting out of hand, bro. I might need to like Google this at a different time. Crazy. Where the fuck did I put that roller, I wonder? Yeah, let's go back to filament. Like, I am just gonna print this, I don't know. But this seems like it's gonna move. When is live Big Volodor? I'm not sure. I need to ask Johnny if he wants to buy parts. If he does, then no. But I'm gonna get some paint tomorrow or the day after and paint the demi-bot and assemble that, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. I need to... I forgot what I need to do. Oh yeah, tomorrow we get the Axis Flying shit so I can 04 my quads. Oh yeah, that's what I want. I don't have PVC pipe on hand at all. Why the birds chirping? I don't know. That's what they do. Oh, I'm at this point I'm not even paying attention. Hello. Print ready. This looks like it's gonna take like infinite material to print. Oh, you buy this. Oh, it's free. How big is this? Yes, can I just get this? Like at this point in time, I'm getting brain. Width 240. I don't think I can print 240, can I? QNC plate. Or I can print 235. That is crash, bro. That is crash. Let's try QNC. What is the plate size? Why is it? Wait, where the numbers? Where the numbers is, bro? Hello? I just scroll down. I don't care about speed tests. Oh, this is fun. There we go. 220, 220, 250, and then this bitch is 230, 240. Damn. Fuck me. Printed place to get organized. Oh, this is in pieces? Let me see. Oh my god, I don't want to. I really don't. Back, I guess. What if I make this but I don't screw it in anywhere? It's gonna tip over, I feel like. Self-centering filaments full holder. Oh yeah, bro, but I don't have like infinite hardware lying around just to assemble this bitch. Plus, this is gonna require like the fattest screw in the universe, which I do not own, and based off of what I can see, some bearings. What else do I need? I mean, what is this unit like? 120mm bolts, yeah. You can't even buy that shit here, I swear. Huh. Do I have room above the... I could wall mount something. Let's look at some of the Creality store. Upgrades. The fuck? Wall mount filament. But I don't want a rack. I did this, yeah. This would... I mean, that is large. Is it not? That is weird, yeah. Interesting that the people don't do this. I would expect... people to want to do this, but... Yeah. Well, that's good for now. I guess we won't be printing shit today, which is odd because I set up my camera to print shit. We could print some TPU and have some fun with that. I think. Let's see, which cable can reach over there? Can this? I'm gonna just do a temperature test, I guess, instead of, or not a temperature test, but I wanna try printing at a lower temp, see what's up. Well, none of these cables can reach there, I think. Let's see. I can actually plug this over there, so this isn't an issue. But this one is, and this one can't reach, so I think the Insta can. Let's see. Insta should be able to. That looks correct. I'm gonna open this up. Alright. Bye bye. Oh, are you going somewhere? Oh, let's try. This, I'm gonna knock everything I own off the desk now. This will be able to reach here, but yeah, somewhere there. Wonder if this tripod will do a good job. Let's see. Put it here. Angle it up. Pre-open the door, I guess. Make it a bit lower. Could work. I mean, it's not the cleanest setup, but it works. Alright. So, let me not fuck this up if possible. Let's do a slicer. Let's try something. I am gonna print a full arm. But I don't know why. I'm gonna try something with the orientation maybe. I don't know why it prints it like this. I guess that's what it wants to do. But I'm gonna change the temperature and this is gonna clog it maybe, so I'm not looking forward to 200. Save. What? No. I pressed save, bro. There. Go to downloads. Send print. Click. Yep. Alright, there we go. So now it should start printing. What camera is this? Insta360? Yeah, you just plug it in via USB and it asks, like, do you want a webcam? And then it becomes a webcam. I don't have a better way, or rather, I don't have a cable that's long enough, and it only works via cable. I can maybe get it a bit closer, but like this maybe. That's about as close as it can get. There's no settings for webcam though, like it just goes into webcam mode, so that looks about right. So let's do this and then you can watch the print to the side, but I need to do some software configuration. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use ChatGPT. I don't even know what these are. Yo, I wanna set up my Synology NAS, wanna help me out. I got a few things I want to take care of. And then I'm going to also open the, you could just move this. I'm going to connect to the NAS. Clean up the bottom of the printer. You mean the trash can? Why? What for? It's fine. This? No, it's good. That's what it's supposed to look like, innit? I don't know if it's better with light or without, considering it's day. Let me try. Takes a year for this light to turn off via software because I put a big light strip there. I don't know. It's very strange. It does refuse to turn off, which means I did a great job wiring the light strip. Oh shit, something's hanging off the bottom, bro. What? What is that even? There you go. Good as new. Of course, the lights won't turn off, so let's leave them on for now. And I'm gonna connect to my NAS. So first of all, I don't have any shared folders. Not sure if I should create just one as main or different ones for different purposes. It's gonna be file storage and Plex mostly. I can turn on the light now maybe. It's a little bit, in the camera crooked or is it me? It is a little bit crooked, but it's like very wide. It's very close to the thing, but it is what it is. Okay. Let's get back to this. What's GPT saying? Medium, movies, TV shows, music. Top level, everything lives inside them. Cool. Do it again, because it errored out for some reason. For Plex, you can set different access rights. Maybe your Plex media is public, but personal files are private. Alright. Let's do that. Do it later. This should be fine. So let's go to File Station. Okay. So create a shared folder. Media files. Choose volume. Don't need encryption. Let's do this. Let's create this one called media, which is going to be for Plex. Enable recycling bin. I don't care for recycling bin inside of Plex. Why don't you have a face cam? That's a good question. I don't have anywhere to put a camera right now, so. Or I could, maybe. Let me try, hang on. I have to jump over this cable all day now. This is gonna be very tall though. Or I can just put it in place where it is, to be honest. I don't... Hang on, let me set this up. Okay, that looks about right. Is this gonna ever like lock or... Oh, it does lock, okay. Cool. Set up the cam. Put in a battery here. And then add it to HDMI. And then just line it up here. Turn it on. I don't know what it's gonna see. Should be able to adjust it like so, maybe. I don't know. Is this huh. It's interesting, it doesn't register the fucking camera. Just unplug and replug it in. See what's up. Ah, there it is. I don't know where you can see, like, it's in a weird place. And I can't really put it less weird. Maybe this would be less weird. That is kind of less weird. And then since we're sitting at the desk, I could just use this mic. Because I'm not doing much, but I would have to close the door because of the light. To even be able to see me, I guess. Maybe not all the way. That would be fine, yeah. And then I should be able to... I don't know where to put this mic so it's not in the way. I guess, I hate this. I should have screwed this in, bro. Hang on one sec. It's clogged? Oh, it is, yeah. Fuck me. Good call. I think this would work. That should work, yeah. Fuck me. Bro, it pulls on the fucking TPU like a monster. I'm gonna unclog it with the weird method. There we go. So I don't have to disassemble shit. I'm gonna rerun the same print at a different 205. So for this specific one, 205 is what it is. I know this mic isn't hot yet. Give me a sec. Save. Let's just rerun it and see if it'll unclog itself. Send. Start. Oh, I need to get rid of the line. Ugh. Alright, should be good. Back to OBS. We should be able to just put this on and unplug DJI. And now this mic is hot. I don't know how loud it is, but it should be better. Either way, let me undo this. Yeah, I don't know how good these mics are for live streaming, but they seem okay for now. I got them for something else, but it's all good. So let me go to the screen. Just gonna add a scene, and that scene is gonna be called Sony, and then I'm just gonna resize it so it's like Insta. There you go. Now you have everything, and everything should be good. I should get a wall arm for this mic, but it is what it is. The Sony's kind of in a weird place, but yeah. Now you can see shit. So let's go back to this. Let's go to next. I don't want to protect or worm it, so I'll go next. I don't know what this is. Data checksum. Let's see what GPT says. Enable encryption. Apply permission. I don't care about permissions. What is this? Data checksum. Sure. I don't really need data integrity for this though. I should be able to access this folder. Just apply, and there you go. Now we have a media folder that should turn up in my Mac under network. So let me click network, echo, connect as. I'm gonna enter my creds. You're attempting to connect to the server echo. Sure. My creds are this. There you go. Now I have a media folder. Cool. So let's create 2 more shared folders. I'm gonna create one more. It's called just storage, and that one's gonna have recycling bin. Why not? And I don't need encryption. I'll enable this. Why not? And go next. And that's mine. So I get read write, apply, and then I'm gonna create one more called FPV, which I'm gonna use for something completely different. I don't care about recycling bin for this one. I don't care about encryption. I do not care about why not? Cool. Now we have them. That one's also mine. And admins. There we go. Alright, now we have 3 folders. So now what I need to do is set up a few things on the NAS. First of all, I need to figure out which torrent client I can use. And of course, I'm using torrent for legal stuff, not pirating shit. NAS client. Optimize. I guess it's Qubit, right? Where the fuck is my? I don't know how you do that. Qubit. Okay, Google Qubit torrent Synology. Oh, I don't want to do Docker. What? Anything else? Alright, well, let's GPT this bitch. Cool. I set up the permission. I set up the folders. Now what I want is a torrent client for NAS where I can add files to a shared folder and they automatically get added to the torrent. Can we do that? I need to check which supported clients. Where the fuck is that? Station. Hang on. Synology. Whatever the fuck. Full feature client, web UI. You can map a folder where torrent file gets dropped and auto added. Yeah, I'll go with Qubit. So I have to get Docker. It's great. I love Docker. It's called Container Manager now. What is that download speed? Is gigabit. Okay, we get Docker. Now what? Download and run Qubit torrent from a Linux server. Qubit torrent. What? Let's see what Container Manager gives us. Oh yeah, this thing is printing now, so it unclogged itself. Thank God I didn't have to poke it with a stick. So let's see, Container Manager. Container project. What's your YouTube? It's the same as Twitch, it's LolDoggy. Registry maybe? Qubit. If we get lucky. Oh yeah, that's what it is. Click. Oh, I have to, what? Brought to you by Linux server. Okay, how do you do this? Docker pull. Is there a terminal here? Terminal. Nope. Ah, fuck me. How do you set this up? Da-na-na. What does she say? Download and run map. Config to a Qubit config. Downloads to your media folder. Watch to your torrents watch folder. Alright, I fucked it up. I should have said Plex first. Plex folder structure. So movies and TV shows. Okay, so it's when your major types of content separated from each other. Right. So I need to go here, and this is a bad name, I guess, because it's supposed to be called like fucking uppercase media. Can I rename this? Media. I can't rename it. Great. I'll just create a new one. Who cares? Media. Inside media, we get movies, which is of course for only legal movies that I own, not for pirating. TV shows. Right, cool. Okay, so that's what I need. They can't be auto added, right? Nice, now I see double stream. Yeah, double the fun, triple the excitement. I should put my mic should be at an angle so I don't pff into it, you know what I mean? It's kind of strange. Okay, so I'm gonna have to manage this manually, but that's fine. Hang on, how do I set up Qubit inside Synology again? Do it for me, yeah? Just chew it up for me so I don't have to think ever. I do have it. In file station, make the following folders: Docker, Qubit, and config. You can use the existing shared folders instead of creating downloads. Sure. Open Docker registry. Search for... Oh, you can search. Didn't I do that? Close this for now. Okay. qubit. Click. Oh, I can click download here. That makes sense. That makes all the sense in the world. Let's do shit. Are we doing stuff? Because I'm a little slightly... Yeah. Okay, so I need a web UI, but that's okay. I just need to make my NAS manageable from places. Tag latest. Oh, that took that long? Really? Just whoosh. Do that. Oh my god. Oh, bro, what? Oh, there we go. Jesus, I was like, what? Successfully downloaded. Okay. Right click, wait for download, launch container, Docker images. I need to set this up though. So I'm gonna I can't copy actually. I'm gonna go to file station and then inside media, I'm gonna create folder called Docker, inside which I'm gonna create a folder called this. And then inside which I'm gonna create a folder called config. Downloads. No, it shouldn't be downloads. You just watch. Sounds good. That's a fucked up thing to do, but it's okay. I don't like this. I'll just create a folder here called watch. That's better. And then I don't care about the config at all. Or config can stay whatever. I'm not gonna mess with that every day. Either way. Now we go to image. Oh, I have this. Run. Enable resource, enable auto restart. Yes. Set up web portal. Don't need to. Oh my god. Volume settings. Oh god. Config path. Local folder, mount path, config downloads watch. Config is not here. Can I, for fuck's sake. Where's the watch? I don't know what the variable is, bro. That's fine. Network bridge, local port, what else? 8080 container port 8080. There you go. TCP. You can map. I don't want to map anything. Set environment variables. Your NAS group ID, web UI. Oh my god. What for? I don't even know what my NAS user ID is. SSH into your NAS. Oh my god, bro. Hold. Where my NAS is. I mean, this is slightly SSH Fisher at this. Oh, I HTTP this, seriously. Fisher at 192.168.0.154. Huh? Oh, it's not enabled. I completely forgot. It's like protocol or something. Enable SSH. There it is. That's fine. I can SSH into my own machine. Can I not? Yes. There we go. Cool. My password, which it forced me to put a one I don't like. ID your username. ID Fisher. Alright. So I need to add. Hey, this is a little complicated. I need to add environment variables called user ID and group ID here. So where's my Docker shit thing? So did they have them here? They don't. Okay. So they're called PUID, which is this, and then it's PGID, which is, I don't know, 101, I guess. I don't know. It's whichever one, I don't care. web UI port. Do they have this? They don't. I'll just add it. There's no value. There's nothing bad can happen. Cool. Go to your NAS IP 8080 admin. Okay, let's see. Bridge, whatever, next. This looks good. I don't know. Okay, so now I have to open this with 8080. Oops. Fuck me sideways. Oh, cool. Now I get the web UI. And then the username and password, admin. I don't know, bro. Invalid username. Default password. You can find it in the container log. Log. That's it. Interesting. Container. Click log. You should set your own password. A temporary for this session. How do I see all this? Ah, that's where it is. Ah, whatever. Sublime. That's what it is. Admin. Enter. There we go. Don't save it. How do you set your settings? I can't see shit. Web UI. Certificate key. Username admin. Password. Do this one, or actually this one. Save. Cool. Okay, so this works. Let's go to settings. Let's downloads. Default save path is wrong. How do you choose this? Let's see what GPT says. Downloads automatically add torrents from where this is. Automatically monitored folder / media / watch. Save. Set default to /downloads. What are you hacking now? I am configuring my NAS to it's like file storage on a network, right? To do shit here. Some media, movies, I guess. Can I copy this? I can. Great. Default downloads save path is this, and then I can do also I don't care. Media watch, media movies, let's say. Sounds correct. Save. I'm making it so it automatically adds torrents and does all this weird shit. So I'm gonna copy a legal torrent right now. What's a legal torrent? I also need to VPN this bitch somehow. Cool. All this, and I'm not hacking, I'm having GPT hack. Cool, all this works. Question is, how do I access my NAS and the web UI from a different location? huh? I did change it. Disable DSM admin account or rename it. Enable 2FA only for reports you need. Consider using a VPN. Well, I need a different VPN call. Hang on, my friend is calling me. Holla. Hello? Yo. Sin normal. Jesi sve naučio. Šta radiš?